In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Canva to add a logo or text to images. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. Next, enter the dimensions for your canvas. For example, you can set the width and height to 200 by 200 pixels and click Create New Design. After the blank canvas opens, go to the Upload section on the left side and click Upload Files. Select the image you want to edit from your computer. Drag the image onto the canvas and adjust its size so it fits properly within the design area. To add a logo, go back to the Upload section and upload your logo file. Drag the logo onto the image and position it where you want it to appear. Resize the logo if needed and place it in a corner or center depending on your design style. Now, to add text, click the text section on the left side and choose Add a heading or Add a subheading. Type the message you want, such as a brand name, slogan, or social media handle. Use the toolbar to change the font, size, color, and spacing so the text matches your design. Adjust the placement of the text and logo until the image looks balanced and clear. When your design is finished, click Share and then Download to save your image.